Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm back here with today's recap for 11/26/25. Today we had, we had two trades. We took both buy signals, and as you can see, we went 1 for 2 today. Kind of what we talked about yesterday's video, where the market would open up and then gap back down. We got caught in that today. We got a buy signal at 8:45 that would have closed at 8:50. Our entry would have been looking for a 680 call. Looks like the cost of that 680 call at that time was 104 per contract. So we would have been looking for 130 at 25%, 156 at 50%, and 208 at 100% profit. And as you can see, we would have bought in and price instantly went down like it was just waiting for us to get in. Those things are going to happen, right? No system is perfect. No strategy is perfect. You're just going to have those things. We try to avoid them as much as possible, but sometimes we can't. So anyway, our condition break was right here at the 9 o'clock close candle, and that's where I got out, which the contract at that point was $45 per contract. So $59 loss per contract across the board on that first trade of the day. And actually that's I believe our first loss in the last 8 days. I have to go back and look, but been doing pretty well up until this trade this morning. All right, so then moving on, right? Finally, the market settles down, right, in the true direction, ends up being bullish. So we get another signal at 9:55 candle close. That closed at 678.96, so we would have been looking for a 679 call. That contract was worth $116 per contract at that time, so that's where we entered at. We would have been looking at 145 for 25%, 174 for 50% take profit, and 232 for 100% profit. And you can see this one ended up being a nice one. Our conditions didn't break until the 11:05 candle close, which price was at 681.14. So to recap, looks like 25% hit, no problem, 145, so that was $29 profit per contract. 50% hit, no problem, that was $58 per contract. And then 232 hit as well, that was $116 profit per contract. And then the strategy exit, this candle, the contract at close was worth 246, so a nice profit there as well. So overall on the day, depending on where you take your risk, right? If you're taking at 25%, you would have ended $30 down per contract. If you take the 50%, you would have been down $1 per contract. If you take the 100%, you would have been up $57 per contract. And the strategy exit yielded $71 per contract. So that's it for today's trades. If you want to use these indicators and have those, I'll click the link in the description below. Otherwise, we will see you for Friday's recap. Everyone have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks.